Hi everyone, this is CA Shivani and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is not going to be any strategy video or I'm not giving any revision plan in this video. But this video is a very special one for me. So I recently joined an organization and they have sent a very beautiful welcome kit for me. I feel it's a very sweet gesture from their end because I feel there is this inner child in us who's very excited to receive gifts no matter how old we are. So I received the welcome kit in the courier today and I just thought that maybe I should unbox it along with you guys. So let's get started with the video. So I received this box in the courier today and let's unbox this in 3, 2 and 1. So it came in a beautiful white box with an Accenture logo and let's open this now. Firstly, there was this beautiful welcome note which says welcome to Accenture with a hashtag just joined Accenture. Next we have this beautiful pen. It has a wooden body and it also has an Accenture logo engraved on it. Look how beautiful and rich it looks. What's in this box? Oh, it's a beautiful bottle. It has a wooden body but the inner portion is made up of steel. I think it is a thermos and it also has a filter inside. And lastly, I have received the 2 notebooks with Accenture logo on it. One is purple in color and the other one is white. Honestly, I love the purple one most. So that's all that I've received in this welcome kit. So that's all for today's video. That was the welcome gift that I received. Honestly, I feel that this idea of giving a welcome kit to the new joinees is a wonderful idea. What do you feel about it? Go down in the comment section and tell me about it. There might be a lot of people watching this video who are joining Accenture or who aspire to work with Accenture. Accenture might be a dream company for a lot of people out there. So I want you guys to do one thing. Go in the comment section and write down which is your dream company. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again for watching it.